And that's because when you buy a $2 million hypercar at a deep discount because it was in a major flood, nothing goes according to plan. But despite eye-watering dealer parts prices, rusty bolts, and fighting us every step of the way, we made some good progress on taking this car apart.
Now this car is a shell of its former self because we took apart the actual shell of the car, and I need to take apart the entire wiring harness. So this is going to be an episode that I've been dreading, but also very excited about because I get to take out the engine from a P1.
As scared as I was to take this P1 apart, I had to remind myself that this car only had 300 miles on the clock. My McLaren P1, despite its run-in with a hurricane, had no accident damage or history of theft.